Okay, we're going to change out a bad window regulator on a 2004 F-150 Super Crew. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is you got to pop this panel on. Just put a screwdriver back here. That piece pops off with those little tabs. Got a little 6mm screw here. And you've got two more 6mm screws right down here on the bottom, and they're done. Get you a little pick, and then you just pop this little door part here out, and then remove these two screws. These are 8mm. Okay, and this door, we can pop this door handle up. There's a couple little things right here on this part right there that pops that up. Just got to pinch this right here. That comes off. There's a 10mm screw up underneath here. And then now the door. This here pops out. Just pop that out of the way. This will come up out of the way here. Just lift this panel up out of the way. Just tuck that through, and the door is off. This piece right here just pops up and out with that cable. Set that to the side. You got to remove the door speaker. Those are actually 7/32, I guess. And just press that little tab there, unhook the speaker, and then now this cover, have to pull this cover all the way off. Careful with it. Then now you're gonna have, now my old one, which is I've already changed out and is broken. My window is actually just dropped all the way down into the panel here. You're just gonna have to lift the panel up, work it up, and then tape it up at your top and tape it at the bottom to seal it with some tape or something. Then to get it out, just unplug your this, got a little pinch tab right here. This will come out for the motor. You already got these all unplugged. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You have to take this one completely out. These here you just loosen up, and you'll have to hook your panel back up, so that you can get the
Watch, Mom. Watch, I make a handprint. Watch.
You'll need to, I think this is a 35-point star wrench. You'll have to use that to get in here to loosen these two screws up. And that's what holds the window plate in. There's one on each side. Just loosen them up, you know, and then you should be able to detach it from the window, push it up, and tape it away. Once you have that window up here and secured real good, then you can take these, loosen these four up, or you can take them all the way out, doesn't matter. And take this one all the way out, and then the window regulator will just, the old one, you'll just have to kind of work, you know, pick it up off its slots and just work your way to pull it out of this area. Mine was in really bad shape. It broke in several places. The other one, you just got to work it in sideways. Get the bottom one in, then get the right side in, and you'll be able to tip them up and hook them on in and test it out, and then put it back. Should be good. And just the new window regulator that I bought from O'Reilly's is this, and it's the back door is different than the front passenger side door, so you have to get a special fit for the back door. All right, hope that was helpful. All right, one of the things you want to do too before you put the panels back on is you want to run your window up and down. If it starts to get in a bind when it's up here, lower it back down, loosen those clamps up, and then bring it all the way up tight, and then bring it down and use your hand kind of to help it down to get it adjusted into the window clamps properly. All right, then all you got to do is put your cover back on, make sure it's fit in there just right so that these tabs can drop into these holes right here. All right, put your cable back on, just push this on through, feed your cable back up through here. Just raise this up. You got to kind of grab the door lock. And it should lock right into place right there. All right. Just take and push this back into position. And it kind of there. Just get it back into position right there. 8mm. And this last one is 10mm. Screw up here. These are 6mm. Pop your cover back on. Controller back on. It's got these 3 tabs right here. Just slide in there and then pop on. There you go. Should work nice and smooth. That's it. Put your little cover plates back on. Put your screws. You got 2 screws on the bottom. Good to go. Hope this was helpful.